So we decided to turn the milk shed into a goat house. The milk stand decided it didn't want to move. So this is going to get enclosed, be a new goat house. And we're going to turn that lean-to over there into our milk shed slash hay storage for the winter. Nice, cool, crisp 7 degrees out. Still working on projects. All for these lovely little goaties. And that's where we got to get the plywood from. It's approximately 9 feet long. Look at how much fun this is. Oh, don't drop it now. Don't drop it now.
Why does it get harder?
You almost got it. You almost got it. Strong, independent woman. Getting it done out here on the farm. Because these goats need somewhere warm to stay.
My beanie! My beanie is not wanted.
And it's getting a little dark now. Sun's already setting. But we got the side up. Got the front plate. The front plate put on. We just got to cut that excess board off. As you can tell, the goats already like it. They have a pretty decent house. But this one's going to give them a little bit bigger footprint for more of them to sleep in. And it's starting to snow again. It's a fun time to do chores and projects. Well, thank you everybody for watching. The little babies, you can't see them. They said it's time to get me some food. Until next time.